What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha Talia. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Be sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe before you guys head out to another channel or watch another video of mine, if you could. So I want to go ahead and announce today's giveaway winner for my 1K subscribers and stuff. So I'm gonna show you guys that I did do the spin the wheel because I could not just choose by myself at all. So I did go back to my messages like a few months ago from when people started to enter the giveaway, and then I kind of fell out with, you know, my videos and stuff, but I am back. So we're back and we are at 1K and we're still growing, and I'm super excited. So yeah, let's keep on growing on this channel. But so the giveaway winner is her name is Karen. Let me make sure I have her name right on here. You guys will see it on the screen. She is our giveaway winner. It is Karen Sigcho. I hope I am not butchering your name or anything like that, but girl, you have won today's giveaway. And I'm doing so extra stuff because I love giveaways. I actually just won a giveaway myself in the area that I live in. I just like entered, and then your girl won, and I'm waiting for that bodysuit. I want a bodysuit so I could choose between black or like a nude, like a taupe color. So of course I chose the nude one. So, but yeah, girl, you are the winner. I will contact you. So if you see this video, congrats. So yeah, I'm super excited for you. But yeah, let's go ahead and move on to this haul. Yeah, let's move on to the haul. Okay. Pretty much most of this stuff is for my son, I feel like. So my son is getting taller. He's just growing every day. If you guys have kids, you know how it is. The kids don't stop growing at all. So we went to Old Navy. Old Navy has some good deals, like shirts for like $5, $6, PJs for 10 bucks. So I just kind of wanted to share with you. So it's kind of a different type of video. It's not all about me, okay? So yeah, so I went to Old Navy and I think we spent like 60 bucks. Yeah, we like spent $60. So this, yeah, we got a lot of things though. So we're getting prepared for the chilly time and stuff, which right now outside is pretty windy. So it's just great to kind of have something light and stuff. But we got him a size up, a 3T. So got him a few things. This one's super like cute. It says family sticks together, and it's just marshmallows, you know. I don't know, my husband said it was kind of corny, but it was cute at the same time, so whatever. We got it for him anyways. And then we got him another long sleeve, like it has trucks all over it. These were $6. Then this one, I love the color, it's very fallish. And this one says fun in the sun. Super cute. This other one, there's no place like home. It's just a baseball, and the color is very nice. I really like the color, it's really cute. Then I found a nude, like a beigey color with like tie-dye kind of over it, and then this one was $6 too. It doesn't say anything on it, but yeah, just very kind of basic and stuff. Just something for him to wear. And then these were, I think these were $10. So let me show you. Yeah, they were $10. So, and they're a set, so definitely a great buy, because, you know, I hate like trying to, unlike the shirts, like you have the whole set, you don't have to go looking for something else, like, you know, it just matches. So anyways, this one is like the dinosaurs. Look how cute. It's just the color scheme I like the color scheme of it. And then this one, it has like the alphabets on it, but it has like the animals and stuff. Like, oh, I see on the back of here it says K, and it has K for koala, and then I see in the front A is for alligator. So that's like super cute that the animals are like wrapped around the letters and stuff. And then we found this one, once again, just like giraffes, lions, turtles, alligators, just something really cute. That way he can kind of stay warm once it gets more cold. He is like a warm body, so he does not like sleeping with blankets or anything like that. Like, he has to have his legs on top of the blankets. So yeah, he just likes to be cold because he's a warm body. So, and what I'll try to do is I'll go on Old Navy and I'll try to see if I can find some of these pieces, because I do have the numbers and stuff on the tags. I haven't ripped off the tags yet. So if you guys have boys and you're around like maybe his size, they have different sizes, like 12 to 18 months, like all that stuff. So next, I went to Cosmoprof. So if you guys don't know, I guess I haven't shared like maybe a lot about myself, but so my background is that I am a medical assistant. So went to school for that, and then I went to school a few years ago for aesthetics to become an esthetician. So I am also an esthetician. So I actually never signed up to go to Cosmoprof, like, ever. So so yesterday was the first time I did that, and I know my nail lady, I think she had told me that I could actually buy like hair products from Cosmoprof, because I fall under the cosmetology and what was it, barber, all that stuff, right? I fall under there. So that means like I can buy whatever in the store at Cosmoprof. So I ended up buying conditioner and shampoo that my husband's mom, she loves to use the TIGI? I think that brand, TG, I don't know if I'm saying it right, that brand. And she had told me she was spending like $20 for like, I think one bottle, I think. Which I understand, when you go to a salon, you know, they got to make some money too, so they upsell it. So I was like, oh, I can actually buy this for you. Like, I did not even think about this, you know. So it was only $10 for each bottle. So, and then now I can get her the bigger ones too, which is only like 15 bucks. So that's what I'll be doing too, is like buying all my hair products, because they have Olaplex at Cosmoprof. And I'm like, oh, I love Olaplex. Like, I want to do that conditioner stuff and everything in my hair, because I used to use it, but it's kind of expensive at Sephora and stuff. So now I can get like certain things for like $14. But anyways, so I got that for my husband's mom. And then I got this Gigi Soothing Azolene hard wax beads. So I got some beads. I was debating on recording a video of me doing my eyebrows, because I used to wax my eyebrows all the time myself, because I have never gone to someone else. Because if y'all know, if y'all feel the same way about someone else touching your brows, or it's hard to find someone to do your brows like, you know, the way you like, because brows are pretty personal, you know, they're on your face. So but I like to do my own brows, and I just haven't had wax. And I usually wax my legs and all that stuff myself. So it's kind of nice to like get back on track, I guess, to start waxing again. But I've never used this bag before. I never used this brand or anything. It says it's infused with essential oils, so that's pretty cool. So I will be trying this out. So let me know in the comments if you want to see a video of me waxing my brows or something. Just let me know. But yeah, got that. And I think this was like 30 something dollars, I think. Something like that. Maybe a little bit less. I don't remember. And then if you guys are in Cali, I don't know if they have this store in other places, but it's this place called Q, and they sell clothes for like really cheap. And they have a website, Shop Fashion Q, but every time I go on there, they never really have stuff and where you can actually buy things. So it's just kind of weird that they have a website. So I found these glasses, you guys, and if you've been watching me for a minute, you already know. Hi, I like nudes, I like neutrals, like this is what I like. And I found a pair of glasses. Now the only downfall is I need some contacts, because I can't see without my glasses, like, at all. Like, I need my glasses, you know. to survive. Like I couldn't even go drive. Like that's how bad it is. Like I can't see. So yeah, these were only $6.99, you guys. And they were like the only pair that they had on the spinny thing with all the glasses. So the brand, it says Giselle. Giselle is the brand. Yeah, so I don't know if it'll focus on there, but it says Giselle. I thought these were really cute. They're very big, so I don't know if I would wear them with my hair up. I probably would like to have it down, like kind of just framing my face and stuff. I think that'd be a total vibe. But yeah, I just need to get my eyes checked and stuff and make sure that nothing's changed, so I can just buy me some more contacts, because I would love to wear sunglasses again. It's been months since I've worn sunglasses, and yeah. So these are so cute. I just had to get them. Like I told my husband, I was like, should I buy them? Like I know I don't have any contacts right now, but like it's the only one right now. So yeah, I bought them anyways. So who knows when I'm gonna get some contacts. But the last thing that I got from Q was this romper. So this set right here, hopefully in the lighting, I feel like it's darker. Here we go. It's a little bit darker in person. The light is kind of changing the color just a little bit, I think. I won't know until I edit the video. But this was only $12.99. I got a size small. Has a cutout on the side. It's off to the like one shoulder. My butt looks nice in it, but it's like the crotch area for me. I don't know, I feel like it's just like, you know what I mean? So I don't know if I should return it. Well, they actually, so if you know anything about Q's, they don't do like return, like you don't get your money back. You only get your you get a credit pretty much. So you can either get a credit or just exchange it for something else, but you have to keep the tag on and you have to keep your receipt. So I don't know. It's really cute. I don't know if I should try it on for you guys or what, but should I keep it? What do you think? I can throw like a jacket over it and stuff, because like here still during the day it's pretty like hot and stuff. It's just in the mornings and like at nighttime when it's just that breeze, it starts getting cold, like chilly and stuff outside. But yeah, I don't know if I should return this. I don't know. It's just like, it's like one of those things, like I don't know. I don't know. We'll figure it out. I'll figure it out. Or you guys can let me know. Should I keep it, return it? Should I keep it, return it? Let me know in the comments down below. So last thing, so random. This is really random, you guys, but I made this drink, and you could really make it really pretty with like actual strawberries in it. But a few months ago, my friend had posted on Instagram of like a pink drink dupe, but it was like a smoothie kind of version. Like you just blend it, you like blend everything together. It like had so much stuff in it, right? So, and it came out like good. It's really good if you want like the smoothie kind of version. But I broke it down and got the actual drink version, and it only requires 2 ingredients. So if you guys like the pink drink from Starbucks, or if you've never tried the pink drink from Starbucks, please go to Starbucks and ask for a pink drink. It's so good. It's very refreshing. But if you want it cheaper, if you already know what the pink drink is and you want it cheaper and you want to do it at home and drink multiple of them, then let me know if you want to see a video on how to make this concoction of a drink. So it's really good. Like, it's really good. Even my son likes it. Like, it's so good. But yeah, let me know if you want to see a video on that. I also bought a few things to make a pumpkin. I was thinking about doing like the pumpkin spice coffee thing because I did buy a few stuff, but just let me know. I need to find like a setup, like a good setup, because the lighting in the kitchen's horrible, so I don't know. Let me know in the comments, what do you think? But yeah, so that's today's video, just a quick small haul and stuff. And I just really wanted to announce the giveaway winner for my 1K. So thank you guys so much for supporting me and to continue to support my channel and stuff. Like, we are gonna be growing this channel. I am trying to find things to, like, I guess entertain you guys or whatever, you know, like stuff that you guys like and that I also like. So yeah, if you want to do a get to know me, like all that stuff, y'all just let me know in the comments down below. So let me stop rambling, and yeah, give this video a like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.